Hello, welcome to today's daily message. Throughout the month of September, on the first 3 Wednesdays of September, I will be presenting on the book of the prophet Isaiah. Last week, my presentation focused on the first 39 chapters of Isaiah, which is considered first Isaiah. This Wednesday, I will be talking about that part of the book which is referred to as Second Isaiah, chapters 40 to 55. And so throughout this week, I want to give just some brief reflections about some of the passages that occur in Second Isaiah. This morning, I want to talk about the first few verses of chapter 40. Let me read a couple of them. Comfort, comfort my people, says your God. Speak tenderly to Jerusalem and cry to her that her warfare is ended, that her iniquity is pardoned, that she has received from the Lord's hand double for all her sins. So these two verses refer to the commissioning of the prophet. And as you can see, God is telling the prophet that he should speak a word of comfort to the people of Judah. And the reason for that is because they are returning from exile. They were exiled in Babylon for 50 years, and now they were returning home. So what this says to us is that God's mercy is the bottom line. That even though there are times when God punished his people for their wrongdoings, at the end of the day, his mercy, his compassion, his love was more important. And if you look at verse 11, it says, he will feed his flock like a shepherd. He will gather the lambs in his arms. He will carry them in his bosom and gently lead those that are with young. That verse speaks about the tenderness and kindness, the loving kindness of our God. And I hope that that's something that we all can take with us today as we go through our day, to remember that our God is a God of mercy. Our God is a God of compassion. Our God is a God who cares about us like a shepherd who gathers the lambs in his arms. Thank you so much for watching and listening, and have a great Monday.